GoTo Resolve is being touted as one of the best tools for remote IT ticketing, and it's easy to see why. Whether you're managing a small IT team or supporting employees from a distance, GoTo Resolve offers the kind of streamlined, efficient solutions businesses need. But is it really the best? Let's break down how it stacks up against the competition and why it may or may not be the ideal choice for your IT ticketing needs. Stick around, because by the end of this video, I'll be sharing an exclusive free trial for GoTo Resolve and some better alternatives you might not know about. You'll want to see this. First off, GoTo Resolve's user interface is super clean and easy to navigate. It offers an all-in-one platform for IT support teams to manage tickets, track incidents, and resolve issues remotely. But while the layout looks great, the real test is whether it's as powerful as it seems at first glance. One thing to note is that its ticketing system can feel a bit basic for larger IT departments or those with complex workflows. While GoTo Resolve offers remote desktop control, it lacks some of the advanced automation and customization options that competitors like Zoho Desk or Freshservice provide. Next, let's talk about GoTo Resolve's remote desktop feature. It works well for simple support tasks, allowing IT teams to take over users' computers and troubleshoot issues in real time. However, it's not as robust as what you'll find in dedicated remote desktop solutions like AnyDesk or TeamViewer. While these tools are more expensive, they offer superior features for IT teams that need to connect and resolve issues across multiple devices, particularly if you're working with high-stakes environments. The third thing worth mentioning is GoTo Resolve's customer support. While the platform is easy to use, it's not always easy to get help when you need it. Support can sometimes feel slow, and this can be frustrating when you're dealing with critical IT issues. This is where alternatives like Freshdesk really shine. They offer more comprehensive customer support with 24/7 live chat options and quicker response times. The fourth thing to consider is the price point. GoTo Resolve offers a competitive price for basic features, but when you start adding more advanced capabilities like reports or integrations, the costs begin to add up. At that point, you might find yourself considering alternatives that offer more features for the same price, such as Zoho Desk, which offers extensive integrations and automation tools for businesses looking to scale. So is GoTo Resolve really the best remote IT ticketing tool? It certainly has its strengths: simple setup, decent remote access, and a user-friendly interface. But it also has a few drawbacks, particularly in terms of advanced automation, customer support, and its pricing as you scale. Now, if you're just looking for a simple ticketing tool and remote access, GoTo Resolve might be the right choice. But if you're looking for something more powerful and feature-packed, you might want to check out other platforms like Zoho Desk or Freshservice, both of which offer more robust capabilities for growing IT teams. Before you make your decision, here's the part that matters. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial of GoTo Resolve, plus some amazing alternative tools that might suit your goals even better. All of them come with free trials, so you can test them out risk-free and find the one that truly meets your needs. Click the link and start your journey with the best software for remote IT ticketing today.